Given the following Karnaugh map, which of the following represents the minimal sum of the products of the form of the map? What you can do, again you need to combine all ones with don't cares. What you can do? Maximum 4, maximum 8 is not possible always. Maximum 4 is possible. Can I combine these 4? Yes or no? Can I combine these 4? What is the answer for this one? Y bar j. Y bar j. And can I combine these two? Can I combine these two? Yes. If I combine with above also, that is equal to 6. It is invalid. So I have to go with only 2 powers. Okay. So what is the value of this one? Y, and it should be x. Is there any another requirement is there? No. Yx plus y bar z. Yx plus y bar z. So option A is the correct answer.